In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoices through Squarespace. We'll start from your Squarespace dashboard and head into the invoicing area. First, click on Invoicing. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools related to billing and payment requests. So if you're creating an invoice for a client, this is the section you'll want to use. Once you're in there, click on Invoices. This opens the main invoice management page where you can view existing invoices and create new ones. To begin a fresh invoice, click Create and then choose Invoice. That tells Squarespace you want to build a standard invoice from scratch. Now it's time to enter the client. In the client field, type in the customer information so the invoice is assigned to the right person or business. After that, give the invoice a clear name. This helps you stay organized, especially if you send multiple invoices over time. A simple, descriptive title usually works best so you can quickly identify it later. Next, look for the due date section. Here, you can either select a specific due date or choose due upon receipt. This depends on how you want to handle payment terms. If you want payment immediately, due upon receipt is a straightforward option. If you prefer to give the client some time, choose a date that matches your billing policy. Then move down to the order summary area and click 80 line item. This is where you'll enter exactly what you're charging for. Start by entering the item name. Make it specific enough that the client can understand what the charge is for. Then select the item type. After that, enter the quantity and the price per unit. Squarespace will use those details to calculate the total for that line item, which helps keep the invoice accurate and professional. Once all of that information is filled in, click Done to save the line item to the invoice. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review everything on the screen. Make sure the client is correct, the invoice name looks right, the due date matches your intention, and the line item details are accurate. Even a quick check can help prevent confusion later. When everything looks good, click Send. That sends the invoice through Squarespace so your client can receive it and take action on payment. And that's how to send an invoice through Squarespace. If you follow this process carefully, you can create clear, professional invoices in just a few minutes.